Look at her using that fork. Yeah. Good job, Abby.
Uh,
Yeah. And you're rewarded with strawberries. No, you gotta keep using the fork. Alright. In it goes. Good job, baby. Get another one? Yeah, that hand's taking too long, isn't it? Oh, it's so painful to watch. Oh, almost. You're gonna eat it anyway. Here, I'll help you. There you go. That's a big piece.